Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How are you? I hope you're doing good. We are entering into October and this is my first video of October. So October is well known of content creators on YouTube doing Vlogtober, uploading every day, every single day from the 1st of October until the 31st. So are we doing or not? Because on my side I'm not even sure if I join. I think I will join next week, the week from the 6th, because October starts on Wednesday and the other Monday. I think I'll start on Monday and I'll skip Saturday and Sunday. If I upload those days it will be a bonus, but I am not even sure about it. Can I make it? Because it's an everyday thing. Over editing, over filming, over editing of videos. Will I get the chance? Yes. Last week I uploaded 5 videos a week. I was editing at night. I was sleeping around 10 a.m. because normally naga 8 o'clock I go to bed. But when I go to bed at 8 p.m. 8 a.m. I'm at work. 8 p.m. I'll go to bed and then I'll start editing those videos. Mostly they were 20 minutes, went down to 60 minutes like that. Then I'll edit from 8 until 10, convert it and wait to go to work to upload it with the Wi-Fi. Those that I uploaded while at home, because we had a holiday in between. I used my data. I used 2 gig of data to upload a 20 minutes video. It was not bad, but I'm used to uploading at work. So I don't know if I will do. If I do, please do watch, do engage. And what I like about you guys, I didn't mention that I'm uploading time to time. Last week I am uploading every day. I just decided to upload and you guys showed up. Like, you guys showed up and that was a blessing. Thank you for that. God bless you for just showing up on my channel. Thank you. And I hope if I make it to upload more often this time, I will gladly encourage you, or please do watch my videos. I made good money last week. I don't want to lie. Compared to when I upload 2 times a week, I made good money. And the reason why I uploaded the whole week also, it was because last month I had to upload 9 videos. So in the last week I was left with 2 videos to upload so that the month will finish. But then again, I had to catch up, so I missed one of it. All in all, there are 8 videos that I have managed to upload, 8 over 9. So I do not worry. So if I upload every day, Monday to Friday every day, you guys gonna get bored. But for October, please do be with me. I'm going to buy water. I've been postponing and buying small liters. It's costing me now. I need to get a total refill of water. I'm gonna refill more checkers. Police are moving around. They are not gonna come. So I'm just gonna refill my water and buy lunch and buy bread. And also I'm intending to use a taxi next week. The schools are closing. Yeah, I have a lot in my plate. The only issue now is, will I manage for Vlogtober? Please, if I do, I know you guys I have you guys. I'm parking like next to the car. And that 5 liter, I'm not gonna take it, but let me just take it to just have a capacity. So I have these 2 10 liters, and let me take the 5 liter again.
P122. Now serving at counter 5.
Filled up my tank last week and it cost me barely at the machine. Swiped another 40. Driving around town to get all my thoughts out. Clearing my head needs an hour past sundown. Slipping away down the interstate. Couldn't tell you my ETA. Well, that's okay. I'm driving these roads on a daily basis. Tonight this is different. I'm going through phases. Maybe I'm cynical for running, pushing in speeds I shouldn't be going. I'm driving through zip codes to get to a place it doesn't exist, but I don't know when it's safe to turn around and head home. Hands out the window, D&D on my phone, actively checking the mirror behind me. Not a siren in sight, no, the dark gets blinded. When I'm out on the road, it's me riding solo. Behind the wheel I go, slipping away down the interstate. Couldn't tell you my ETA, but that's okay. I'm driving these roads on a daily basis. Tonight this should I turn around now? I'm driving through zip codes, zip codes. I've got the moon on my left and it's chasing me down. Flew through an album, should I turn around now? I'm driving through zip codes, zip codes. I'm driving these roads on a daily basis. Tonight this is different, I'm going through phases. Maybe I'm cynical for running, pushing in speeds I shouldn't be going. I'm driving through zip codes to get to a place it doesn't exist, but I'll know when it's safe to turn around and head home. Hands out the window.
Hi guys, I thought I should just give you a tour of my living room since I made some changes end of July. So I need to give you a tour. It's just a mini one. Everything else you know. I'll just give you what you don't know. So I have this water boiling here. Never mind the sound that is making. So I'm about to bath to go to work. So guys, let's just go into my living room, how it looks. So from this angle where I'm standing in my kitchen. This is the look. I always have that chair for an extra seat, and whatever I have introduced here is the fridge. This is where I have put it, and it's an old fridge, guys, like I have explained the other time, that this is an old fridge that I bought in 2006 when I started working. You can see it's a small one. It was costing at 1,500. The couch you already know, and the curtains, for those who are new, I got them from Sheet Street, both of them, the inner and the outer curtains. Bear with me, the lighting, because when you're facing the window, things go south. So that table is, it was always there. Also, my friend bought it for me from Pep Home. And the green table there is just holding on to the decoder, the remotes, and the multi-plug. Otherwise, I'm still going to need a better table. And this is a mounted TV, a 32-inch TV that I bought, I think in 2013, somewhere there. Yeah, guys, I have old things. It's a 32-inch Samsung I bought with a phone. It was on a contract. So basically, this way it is looking like this. And the mini washing machine, never mind the box here. This boy, he had put this box there for, and it has a car inside. So the mini washing machine there, yeah, it's staying there. Bedrooms are full. So this is how it looks when I am from the door. Yeah, like we watch TV, guys. These days we watch TV, and I am so grateful that I have managed to do things up to this standard. And the mat here is from my friend. Guys, this house is basically, most of the things were gifted. The mat also was gifted. This one I bought it from Pep. And the fleece were from Pep Home also. Everything on the couch, Pep Home. The cushions, they are from Pep Home. So this corner, this table has this candle from Sheet Street, and the diffuser is from Pep. And it's already finished. I need to go buy a new one so that I revamp the smell of the house, because I am always closing the door. Yeah, this is how it looks from this angle, and I am so grateful that things escalated to this matter. I hope you enjoyed this video, and the purpose of this video is to encourage those who are starting. You can start small. I've been living here. This is the 5th year living here, and everything else was accumulated, not at once, but we do things very slow and we do things on a budget. So whenever I have that little money, or whenever I see something that is very cheap and affordable, I will go and buy it. I always save money, guys. I do stock fairs also. I have 2 groups. We are not many, we are not giving out a lot of money. That's what I like about it. And yeah, that's the things that helps me have that a chunk, little bit of a chunk of money, so that I can do things, other things at once. And if it doesn't, if the money is not enough for the project that I want to do, I will definitely wait. I will wait, because I don't want to take my kids grocery money or whatever I want to buy for them, take it to invest it in the house project. I will definitely wait. So guys, waiting cannot kill anyone. Let's be patient. We are doing things patiently, slowly, on a budget. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.